Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to unblock someone on Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. So once you open your Yahoo Mail app, all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. So once you tap on settings, you need to go in more settings. Once you tap on more settings, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply tap on security and privacy. There you can find the user that you have blocked previously. So besides the name of the user, you can find a trash can like icon. Simply tap on it, which will allow you to unblock that certain user on your Yahoo Mail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.